Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter 8, Introduction to Algebra, from Sin textbook for class 6. Question number 1 is evaluate if x is equal to -3, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to -4. Question is 2x minus 3y plus z. By putting the values, we get 2x means 2 into -3, minus 3y, minus 3 into y is equal to 2, minus 3 into 2, plus, and z value is -4. There are two signs, so we are inserting the bracket on the value of z, which is -4. Next, we are multiplying the numbers with each other. First, we solve the multiplication. 2 into -3 is -6. Minus 3 into 2 is -6. Plus minus is minus and 4. Now, there are three numbers. First, we solving first two numbers. -6, -6. They are having same sign. Two same sign will be added. So, 6 plus 6 is 12. And the sign will be of greater term. There are terms are equal, so we will insert minus. Now third term is -4. Now -12 -4, they are also have same sign. 4 plus 12 is 16 and the sign will be of greater term, which is minus. So -16 is the answer. Now the question is y upon x minus z upon x plus y upon z. First we putting the values. Y is equal to 2, x is equal to -3 and z is equal to -4. In the first term you can see 2 upon -3, minus in the denominator. It will be settled down in the middle of the fraction. It will become -2 upon 3. In the second fraction, minus will be cancelled out and minus is remaining. In the third term, plus in the center of the fraction and denominator is minus. Plus minus become -2 upon 4. Now these are the fraction, so we are taking the LCM of denominator 3, 3 and 4. The LCM of 3, 3 and 4 is 12. Now we will divide it the LCM by denominator and multiplying by the numerator. First denominator is 3. 3 4s are 12. 4 is multiplied by 2. -4 into 2 become -8. Now the second fraction is 3. Denominator is 3. So 3 4s are 12. 4 into 4 is 16. -16. Now 4 3s are 12. 3 into 2 minus 3 into 2 is -6. Now there are three numbers, -8, -16, -6. First we solve first two numbers. They have same sign. Same sign will be added. 16 plus 8 is 24 and the sign will be of greater term, which is 16. So we insert -24 and the next term is -6. Now these have also same sign. Same sign will be added. 24 plus 6 become 30 and the sign will be of greater term, which is -30 upon 12. Now these have the same factors, so we will be cancelled out. 30 and 12. 6 2s are 12. 6 5s are 30. 6 is the factors of 30 and 6 is the factor of 30 and 12. 6 5s are 30. 6 to the 12. -5 upon 2 is the improper fraction. So we can divide it. It will become -2 whole number 1 upon 2, which is the answer. In the next question, there is a fraction and also in the numerator there is a bracket. First we putting the values. Y is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 3 and z is equal to minus 4. First we solve the bracket. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus minus minus 4. There are two signs, plus minus, it will be multiply, plus minus become minus. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. Two same sign will be added. 2 bracket minus 10 means 2 is multiplied by minus 10. 2 into 10 is minus 20. Minus 20 upon 36 is the fraction and will be cancelled out. 20 and 36 are the factors of each other. So 4 9s are 36 and 4 5s are 20. Minus 5 upon 9 is the answer. First we will solve the bracket and multiply. Two same sign will be added and two different sign will be subtracted. Now the assignment is evaluate if x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 4. These are the questions 1, 2, 3, 4.